Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we will be dealing with certain graphs in SPSS. So as you can see, I just have made some data of XY z some variables. So now I'm going to deal with certain graphs. So we will be mentioning some of the graphs which is of common use. So first of all, bar chart. So on bar chart you will have symbol clustered and stacked, and here you will have summaries of groups of cases as default, but you have to choose values of individual cases because we are taking individual cases here. And let's start with simple bar graph. So I will click on define, and on the bar represent I will give y, and here x-axis I will give as x. So you have to click on variables and give this x and click OK. Your bar chart will be represented. So here our x-axis is given, here our y-axis is given, so y values are given accordingly. So that is all about simple bar chart. Now let's go for clustered bar chart. Again, you have to click values of individual cases, and here as you can see you will give x-axis, and here since this is a clustered bar chart, you have to give at least two variables, so xy and x-axis as x. So you are representing y and z on the y-axis. So this is a clustered bar chart. So similarly is the stacked bar chart. Only difference is you have to just click on stacked and define same procedure, you will get the stacked bar chart. So next we can go with the line chart. So 3D bar, it's the same procedure, you can look on it. So we'll deal with line chart. So in line chart we will have simple multiple drop line. So usually we go with simple only, we don't go with another. So simple is the best way to show a line chart. And here same values of the individual cases, you will click on define, and on the line represent, so you will give us y. So I just want to see how the fluctuations of y look like, so that's why I'm giving us y. And again variable you have to give us x. So okay, this is my line chart. So x-axis, so in the truth position what was the value of y, that is given here. So that is all about line graph. Now let's deal with pie chart. It's also a common one. Again, by default it will be summaries for group of cases, but you have to click on values of individual cases, define, and again slice represent. I need according with y, proportion according to with y. And labels, you can give a label. So x will be something like, for example, if it is country, you are checking about number of people per country or number of million people per country. So each country name will be given the x-axis. So here each country name and y the number of people, so that will be represented, and your pie chart is given here. So these will be your labels. Here comes the labels. So next let deals with box plot. So it is also a simple one. Again, summaries of separate variables you have to click, and again, so here I just want to check off let's say z. So this variable I just want to check off z. Click OK. The box plot is shown here. So this is first quartile, this is the median, this is your third quartile, minimum and maximum. So that's about box plot. But if you want to check an outlier, you can, usually we follow with box plot to check the outlier. So again simple. So here let's say I just want to check two groups at the same time. So this is a group, this is another group, so I want to check both in one graph. So you can click those in box represent and click OK, and your box plot is given. So here as you can see there's an outlier at fifth element is an outlier, it will be around 31. So for y it's an outlier, yeah, we have that element. So box plot is good for identifying the outliers, or by theory, I mean another way is that in descriptive statistics explore we can find the outlier. So I have mentioned in the last video, so you can check out that. So next we will go for scatter diagram. In scatter diagram, usually we will have simple scatter. Again, simple scatter, you will have x-axis, you will give your x-axis, y-axis, what you want to see the fluctuations on the y-axis. So once you're given, the simple scatter diagram is given. So always you can edit these things. Every graph can be edited, and you can just edit by double clicking, and this is your editor window, chart editor window, and everything can be done here. Like Excel, this will also can be done, it will be more better. This is text. So if you want to know about this chart editor, you can comment below, so I will make a video on that. Now last we will discuss about the histogram. So in histogram you can give the variable that you wanted. So here let's say I'm taking z, I just want to see the histogram of z. So click OK, I will see the histogram. So if you want to check the normality also, histogram is the best way to check normality. So you can just, let's say for y I'm checking the normality, and you can click on display normal curve. Can see here the normality, but this variable does not follow normality. You can see it's right skewed, so it will don't follow normality. So this is all about this video. So I hope you like this. So if you want to know something better, or do you have any query, you're always free to comment below. Thank you everyone.